Audio Jungle.
Before we jump into how to blend your natural hair, it only makes sense to detail hair stretching techniques. After all, to get sleek curls without direct heat, you'll need to stretch your hair first. First, start with washed, conditioned, and detangled hair. Second, part your hair into 4 to 6 sections and put a rubber band around the roots of each section. Third, add more rubber bands from the roots to the ends. Fourth, the number of rubber bands you'll use will depend on how long your natural hair is. Fifth, there should be no more than 1/2 inch of space between the rubber bands. Sixth, allow the hair to air dry overnight and take the rubber bands out in the morning. If you're not into using rubber bands, you can simply braid your hair to stretch it. To do so, you'd start with clean, conditioned, and detangled hair. Then you'd section your hair into 4 to 6 sections and braid each of them from roots to ends. When the braids are 100% dry, take them down. Stretching your hair out with a blow dryer is by far the quickest stretching method. All it requires you to do is comb through your hair using a blow dryer with a comb attachment. Just make sure that you set the heat as low as possible and use a heat protectant before you get started.